Hey guys, it's Devin Doherty here at the Viejo Farmers Market, and I'm with my new friend Khalid. He's got an amazing business. He's going to tell you a lot about it. Good morning, Khalid. How are you?
Morning. Good. How are you?
Excellent, excellent. So tell us the name of your business.
LEA Organics.
Okay, fantastic. And what does LEA Organics do?
We sell soil and all the ingredients to make a healthy soil.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is an unhealthy soil, and why do we need to make our soil healthy?
Okay, so the healthy soil is when you have all the ingredients that'll really, really help your plants grow, right?
Okay.
All the nutrition's there, all the, the pH levels are the right, where they need to be.
Yeah.
And an unhealthy soil is a soil that has basically nothing there to provide for your soil. Or for
Okay,
your
so the
plants.
nutrients aren't there.
Yeah, the nutrients may not be there. Yeah.
Okay. So, and when I think of fertilizer, I think of my gardener,
Sure.
right? And then I also think of Home Depot.
Right.
Why would you not want to use the commercially made stuff versus what you guys are doing?
Well, yeah, a lot of that commercially made stuff is it's not organic. It's
okay.
artificial. It's
Okay.
artificial fertilizer. If you're growing, if you have like succulents and just some, flowers and whatnot, the artificial stuff is fine.
Okay.
But when you're growing vegetables and fruits, it's better to use organic fertilizer.
So specifically for people that want to grow things they're going to eat?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about just for your grass? Is it good for that too?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay.
It's fine for that. But yeah, for like grass, people don't really eat grass, right? So
Right.
just use artificial fertilizer.
What about the safety of your pets? Is that another reason to consider
Yeah,
type of
absolutely.
products?
Absolutely, yeah. Because everything that we have is all organic.
Okay.
So if your dog happens to start chewing on some soil or
Yeah.
it's not gonna harm them.
Got it. So, how did you get into this business?
A couple ways. Actually, my dad, avid gardener.
Okay.
He's been, gardening his whole life. And my wife, she actually studied agricultural business.
Oh, wow. That's
Yeah.
really cool.
Yeah. So after we got married, her and my dad, just always talking garden. So my dad kind of got us into, selling garden
Very
soil
cool.
and whatnot.
Very cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
One of our top sellers is this stuff right here, which is cocoa coir.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's the brown hairy part on a coconut.
Okay.
And they compress into a brick. It's a byproduct of the whole coconut industry.
Okay.
But yeah, my dad was using this, and he told us about it, and we just started selling it, and it just sold like that.
Wow.
People love it.
And they put it into everything that they do planting wise.
Yeah, for the most part. I mean,
Okay.
when they make their soil mix, this is their base.
I see.
Yeah, then they start adding other stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool. Very cool. Well, that's great. I mean, it's great to be at an organic farmer's market to
Absolutely, yeah.
be selling organic soil. It's the foundation of everything, right?
Yep.
That's really, really cool. So you're here at the Viejo Farmers Market, and is there people in your world around you that are supporting? Dad and wife you mentioned. Is there any achievements that you're most excited about for the company?
Yeah, just expanding and getting our soil out there for people to use, a healthy soil.
Yeah.
Kind of promote, organic gardening and whatnot. We just want everybody to enjoy the benefits of a good, healthy soil.
Sure, you bet. That's awesome. So, who is your ideal client? I know we talked about it briefly, but just sum it up in a bow for me.
Really, anybody that's into gardening.
Yeah.
Which, it could be people, people that have just a little succulent
Right.
on their windowsill,
Right.
to people that are full-blown garden experts.
Got it.
So we
Got it.
kind of cover a whole array of, customers.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. And so how does somebody reach you guys? What's the best way to connect with you if they're not here at the farmer's market?
Yeah, you can go to our Instagram, our Facebook.
What is your Instagram?
LEA Organics.
LEA Organics.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, and we have a website.
We'll put that link on here as well.
Yeah, we can show that link.
You
we have
have
a
a
website. Yeah,
Okay.
leaorganics.com.
Perfect. Awesome.
Yep.
Awesome. And do you want to reach out to you by phone or text?
Phone is fine, 714-264-0699.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, great. It's been great to meet you.
Yeah, thank you.
And we will talk very soon, hopefully here at the farmers market next week. Guys, if you are excited about this interview and you'd like to get your business exposed, reach out to me. I'm Devin Doherty from the Doherty Real Estate Group, and it's been a pleasure, and make it a great day. Thanks so much.